At the 2023 Guangzhou Auto Show, FAW, Volkswagen ID.7 VIZZION was officially introduced. The new car was officially available for pre-sale on November 22. Built on the MEB platform, the new car has a length of 4,956 mm, a wheelbase of 2,965 mm and a cruising range of more than 600 km. In terms of appearance, the new car adopts a family-style design. The full-length taillights and simple front frame at the front of the car are full of brand features. The headlights of the new car use IQ.Light technology. The 18 high-beam LED light sources in the 900 lumen matrix LED headlights can be controlled independently and can automatically adjust brightness and darkness according to sensor information. Featuring a smooth side-line design on the side of the body, an A-pillar moving forward, and a hatchback shape, this car can effectively reduce wind resistance on the one hand, and completely reduce wind resistance on the other. In terms of dimensions, the length, width and height of the car are 4956/1862/1537 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,965 mm. In terms of interior, the shape of this car also follows the current trend. It contains the basic form information of the car, navigation, warning, driving assistance information, etc. It is equipped with an AR HUD head-up display that can project. There is a 15-inch 2K screen in the central control position. The new vehicle is equipped with ID.OS 2.0 vehicle system. The vehicle memory has been increased to 16 GB, and the interface and functions have been improved. In terms of the driving assistance system, the vehicle will be equipped with Travel Assist 3.0. The driver can turn on and off the driving assistance function via the shortcut button on the left side of the steering wheel. When the function is turned on, the MFK, high-definition camera will always collect the marking lines of the driving lane and obtain them through image processing. The vehicle's position parameters in the current lane allow continuous lateral control. At the same time, the ACC controller is combined with longitudinal speed control. It will go at the set speed when there is no vehicle ahead. When there is a vehicle in front, it will follow the vehicle in front according to its speed. When the driver moves the steering column, the system will determine whether the surrounding environment is safe and automatically complete the lane change at the appropriate time. In terms of power, the new car will be available in two different forms: single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive. The power battery capacity is 84.8 kWh and the maximum cruising range can exceed 600 km.